When you're installing a dust collection system, time is of the essence. We want you to avoid unnecessary downtime in your manufacturing process, and instead make your installation process as smooth and easy as possible. Let's review 3 great benefits of using Nordfab's quick-fit ducting for your next ductwork installation. Did you know that when using Nordfab quick-fit ducting, you cut installation and downtime by up to 50%, compared to using flanged ductwork installation? The quick-fit rolled edges allow quick and easy connections with the quick-fit clamp when installing, extending, or taking apart runs of duct. Our clamp-together modular quick-fit ducting system can be put together in seconds, without the use of welds, bolts, screws, or other special tools. Quick-fit is available in a variety of ducting components for process ventilation, dust collection, and fume extraction systems. In addition to clamps, straight duct, flanges, elbows, branches, hoods, and dampers, Nordfab quick-fit provides many accessories, including ductwork for special applications. All quick-fit components are adaptable to your existing ductwork, and it is being used in a wide variety of applications wherever dust collection or fine particulate transfer is required. Because quick-fit easily clamps together, it can just as easily be disassembled. No more headache when you need to uninstall and relocate as you move machinery, have other changes in work areas, or simply need to clean and perform maintenance. And because quick-fit easily can be disassembled and later reassembled again, it provides one of the lowest life cycle cost of any ducting product. Quick-fit ducting components are available in galvanized or stainless steel. Our standard sizes ranges from 80 mm up to 710 mm in diameter. Contact one of my friendly colleagues or visit us at this address to learn more about Nordfab's quick-fit ducting.